with each passing day, there is more evidence of how Pakistan was pounded by India's Operation Sindoor. In fact, in the latest, there are satellite photos that are released to news agency APTN by Maxar Technologies that show widespread damage to strategic Pakistani air bases. These before and after images give you an exact sense of how Pakistan's defense infrastructure was damaged in Operation Sindoor. Now look at the visuals on the screens and they give you a better picture of the damage that has been inflicted on the air bases in Pakistan. Look at how the infrastructure has been disabled. This is in the Sukur Air Base and look at what it looked like before and take a closer look of the damage that has been inflicted in the after pictures. Now remember, these are precision strikes, so you're not going to see a complete damage of the entire area. These are precision strikes, so you're going to see some critical damages to the infrastructure. Now look at Bolari. Here as well, look at the pictures before. This is what it looked like and this was when it was completely intact. And then look at what happened after the strike by India. Look at the damage that has been caused. So this, in a sense, is a message being given out to Pakistan that we can reach the very heart of your military infrastructure and we can damage it if we wish so. Now look at Jacobabad. Here as well, the before pictures are from the 30th of April and they show you the damage that has been caused here after the strikes by India. Like we mentioned, these are precision strikes, so you're not going to see a large-scale damage, but these are precision strikes, so they hit the heart of the military infrastructure. And this is where the big message goes out to Pakistan as well, that we are going to enter in these spaces which you think are most protected, that are well protected. But if India wants, it can reach there. That's a very, very clear message going out to Pakistan. Look at these pictures here again. This is how it was before, but look at how the infrastructure has been damaged in the strikes by India. This is again at an airbase. Military installations being targeted only after India first hit the terror bases, when Pakistan retaliated, wanting to hit the civilian infrastructure in India, wanting to target Indians, civilians in the country. That's when India retaliated by hitting the military installations within Pakistan. This again, Rahim Yar Khan as well, before and after pictures.